Okay, children, let us continue the lesson. Then there was no looking back for this determined young girl. She saved money and enrolled in a course at Uttarakashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. My college semester in Jaipur was to end in April, but it ended on 19th of May, and I was supposed to be in Uttarakashi on the 21st. So I did not go back home. Instead, I headed straight for the training. I had to write a letter of apology to my father, without whose permission I had got myself enrolled at Uttarkashi. Now, this girl had a very good interest on climbing the mountains. So, what she did, she saved money and she got herself admitted in Uttarakashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. And in Jaipur, her college semester was to end in May, but somehow, by some delay, it went on up to May 19th. And she had to join the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering on May 21st. So she decides not to go back home and she writes an apology letter to her father, telling that she will not be able to come home, and not only that, without his permission, she has joined the Mountaineering Institute in Uttarakashi. Thereafter, Santosh went on an expedition every year. Her climbing skills matured rapidly. Also, she developed a remarkable resistance to cold and the altitude. Equipped with an iron will, physical endurance, and an amazing mental toughness, she proved herself repeatedly. The culmination of her hard work and sincerity came in 1992, just 4 years after she had shyly asked the Aravalli mountaineers if she could join them. At barely 20 years of age, Santosh Yadav scaled Mount Everest, becoming the youngest woman in the world to achieve the feat. If her climbing skills, physical fitness, and mental strength impressed her seniors, her concern for others and desire to work together with them found her a special place in the hearts of fellow climbers. Now, after this, what happens? Santosh used to climb various hills every year, and as she did this, her skills in climbing improved day by day. And not only that, you all should remember one thing, children. When you are climbing a mountain or when you are climbing some hilltop, there are a lot of physical barriers which affect you. That is called this the sickness which you feel, altitude sickness we call. That is when you reach the higher altitudes, the amount of oxygen present in the higher altitudes, its higher heights, is quite less, and the cold is too much. So your body has to physically be fit to take up all these things. And now Santosh Yadav had a iron will. Her will was very strong. That is, she wanted to do it, and this was made her mentally prepared, and she proved herself very good every time. Then how this brought fruits to her in the year 1992, that is just after 4 years, when that is when she asked the Aravalli mountaineers 4 years back that could she join them. And in the year 1992, when she was just 20 years old, Santosh Yadav climbs the Mount Everest, and she became the youngest woman to achieve this. And she was very fit physically, her climbing skills were very good, and she was emotionally also strong to climb the mountain, and this impressed her seniors. And not only that, when she was at the place of work, she used to be very friendly with her fellow people or fellow climbers, and that actually won the hearts of many people in her team. During the 1992 Everest mission, Santosh Yadav provided special care to a climber who lay dying at the South Col. She was unfortunately unsuccessful in saving him. However, she managed to save another climber, Mohan Singh, who would have met with the same fate had she not shared her oxygen with him. Now, in 1992 Everest mission, Santosh Yadav cared for a climber who lost his conscious and he was about to die at the South Col, but she was not successful in saving him because he was not able to adjust with those extreme conditions on the higher altitudes. But she had a chance of saving another climber by name Mohan Singh, who had also had the same problem of less oxygen and lot of problems in the higher altitudes, but she shared her own oxygen cylinder with him and saved him. Within 12 months, Santosh found herself a member of an Indo-Nepalese women's expedition that invited her to join them. She then scaled the Everest a second time, thus setting a record as the only woman to have scaled the Everest twice and securing for herself and India a unique place in the annals of mountaineering. In recognition of her achievements, the Indian government bestowed upon her one of the nation's top honors, the Padma Shri. Now, after 12 months of climbing the Mount Everest in 1992, she was actually invited by an Indo-Nepalese women team to again climb the Mount Everest. This is how she got a chance of climbing the Everest the second time, and she became the only woman to climb the Everest twice. And this brought a unique place for her in the field of mountaineering. And for her achievements, the Indian government conferred upon her the Padma Shri Award. Describing her feelings when she was literally on top of the world, Santosh has said, "It took some time for the enormity of the moment to sink in. Then I unfurled the Indian tricolor and held it aloft on the roof of the world. The feeling is indescribable. The Indian flag was flying on top of the world. It was truly a spiritual moment. I felt proud as an Indian." Now she literally says when she was on the top of the world, you all know Mount Everest is the tallest peak in the world, and when she is standing on the peak of the world, she feels she was trying to understand. She was enjoying that great moment when she has reached the top, and she just opens the Indian tricolor flag and she just held it up high on the roof of the world, and that feeling was really not, she is not able to describe it, because the Indian flag was flying from the top, flying on the top of the world, and it was really a wonderful moment, and she felt proud as an Indian. Also a fervent environmentalist. Fervent means having strong feelings towards good environment around. Santosh collected and brought down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas. So when she came back, she wanted to clean the Himalayas, and she brought back around 500 kilograms of garbage from there. So this is about the wonderful lady Santosh Yadav, who brought in laurels to her nation as well as her parents by climbing the Everest twice. So this is about the chapter, my dear children. In our live class, we'll be discussing more about it. Go through both the videos and write down the notes what to send in the classroom and submit it through the Google Classroom. Thank you, kids.